Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 11th of December, 2023. The Indian equity benchmarks hit fresh milestones in a volatile session on December 11th, with the Sensex going past 70,000 for the first time, and the Nifty hitting a new high of 21,026.10 amid widespread buying barring the pharma sector. At close, the Sensex was up 102.93 points, or 0.15%, at 69,928.53, and the Nifty was up 27.70 points, or 0.13%, at 20,997.10. Top gainers on the Nifty were UPL, Ultratech Cement, Bajaj Auto, Adani Enterprises, and LTI Mindtree, while losers were Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Cipla, Axis Bank, BPCL, and M&M. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of India Renewable Energy Development Agency zoomed over 160% over its issue price of 32 rupees. While some investors might look at booking profits, analysts believe that IREDA is a long-term play and has legs to rally more. Up 19% from previous closed with volumes over 16.3 crore shares. The move came on the back of the state-owned firm floating a retail division for providing loans under PM KUSUM scheme, rooftop solar, and other business-to-consumer sectors. Shares of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories plunged nearly 5% in the early trade on December 11th. As the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, some of the observations about the company's unit in Telangana have been found to be severe. Brokerage firm Antique Broking said some of the observations were severe in nature and could lead to the unit receiving a warning letter from the U.S. drug regulatory body. The unit is vital for the company's exports to the U.S. and the shipments to that country are a major part of the company's revenue. SUBROS share price gained 13% to touch a 52-week high of 530 rupees in early trade on December 11th after the company bagged new orders from IRCTC. Has bagged a new order from Indian Railways for supply and commissioning of coach roof-mounted air conditioners amounting to 25 rupees crore, the company said in its release. In the quarter ended September 2023, the company had posted a 175% jump in profit at 26.76 rupees crore. SPICEJET shares hit a fresh 52-week high in early trade on December 11th as the airline announced plans to list its shares on the National Stock Exchange. The airline did not mention any date of listing in its exchange filing, but said it would occur soon. The SPICEJET shares surged over 7% to 59 rupees apiece on the BSE. As of 9:48 a.m., the shares were trading around 56.14 rupees, higher by 2.13%. JAYKAY Enterprises share price locked at 5% upper circuit in the early trade on December 11th after the company signed MOU with Philips Machine Tools India Private Limited. There were pending buy orders of 204,567 shares, with no sellers available. The share price touched a 52-week high of 99.14 rupees. Has completed the execution of MOU on December 9th. 2023, with Philips Machine Tools India Private Limited, a subsidiary of Philips Corporation, USA, engaged in the business of advanced manufacturing technology products and services, to synergistically expand each other businesses on pan-India and in global markets, the company said in its release. Bag Films and Media Limited in daily time frame is trading around 8.40 points with a change of 20. And is trading with a net volume of around 1.36 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 6.80, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 82.64. Patel Integrated Logistics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 20.10 points with a change of 20%. And is trading with a net volume of around 3.679 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 17.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.81. In Venture Growth and Securities Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2.70 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 59.656 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2.30, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.17. For the stock recommendation we have, Rallis India looks good and can be bought at 259 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 250 rupees and a target of 266 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.